simple. The second one is steep and 2.6 kilometers away. We shall see what time we'll get there. Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Morning.
Teddy. So we are heading to Kilimambogo. It's currently 6:45 a.m. We're going hiking. We're going to take you guys along with us. This is my sister-in-law. This is my little sister over there. And we hope to have fun. We're going to have fun, not we hope. So see you in the vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and have fun with us. Ciao! So guys, we are finally here. What time is it again? 8:59. That's 9 a.m. So we are here, ready to go up, and I have finally realized it's a mountain. It is not a hill. It's not just a hike. It's a steep thing. So let's wait and see if I'll survive and not get hurt. And yeah. Just finished our stretch. Hopefully that will help with the muscles, and as usual, yes, Teddy is over there doing something. So we're now starting the hill. It's the first stretch. We've been told there are 3 stretches. The first one is really simple, the second one is steep, and the third one is simpler than the second one. So yeah, let's go. So over there, look at that view. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Teddy, you're not the view. So there we go. Yeah. Sweat my heart away. Talking about blue skies, talking about sunshine, driving with the top down, feeling free, talking about you and update 20 minutes in. Don't know if you can see my sweat, so that means it will be dripping by the time I'm up there. So guys, this is the phase 1 that is supposed to be easy. The introduction.
It is easy.
But look at how steep that is. This is a lie. This is not easy.
30
minutes in, guys. Look at the sweat. We're done with the first stage. So apparently, we're going to the harder part. So we'll see how it goes.
Your hair in the warm summer breeze, talking about you and me, talking about you and me, talking about you and me.
They said it's steep. It is steep. We are that was 25. 55. We are 55 minutes in. This hill, we've been told if we go at a normal place, it's supposed to take 15 minutes. I don't see it happening, but we shall see.
Talking about blue skies, talking about sunshine, driving with the top down, feeling free, talking about you and me, talking about smooth sailing on calm seas, feeling all flowers and bees, talking about you and me. I was working boys and waiting tables.
Guys, phase 3! Phase 3, final phase, the easier phase. So let's go!
Out of the blue came someone both strong and able, knocked me off my feet, swept my heart.
We are at the viewpoint. Look at that view.
Talking about blue skies, talking about sunshine, driving with the top down, feeling free, talking about you and me, talking about smooth sailing.
Yeah, here we are. We're going up. We are just about to reach the topmost, the peak of this Kilima, and it's really exciting.
Guys, you know when words come to haunt you? This is what is happening right now. We're on a steep incline, phase 3. Look at the faces, no longer smiling as much. So we keep on going. We keep on keeping on until we get there. We are at 1,905 meters above sea level. We are 3.6 kilometers away, and we feel like crap. Where we're going? So guys, we are here. It's 11:45. Started 9:45. 2 hours later. 2 freaking hours later. I tell you. We are not yet there. We are 2.6 kilometers away. We shall see what time we'll get there. Hello guys, we finally got to the summit. It took us about 3 hours 30 minutes, and obviously right now it's 3:10, so obviously we rested a bit. I was too tired to even film anything, but it's amazing, it's awesome, it's beautiful up here. I'm really glad I did it. So if you guys can do it, if I can do it, and I am pretty unfit, you can also do it. We took oh yeah, I took 3 hours 30 minutes. That's what I've already said. This mountain is called Mount Kilimambogo. It has 3 faces.
I can hold for you.
Oh, you can hold for me? Okay. So the mountain is called Mount Kilimambogo. It has 3 faces. The first face is a bit easy, but not so easy. The second face is the hardest one. It's really, really steep. And the third face, which is supposed to be the easiest, is not really the easiest. It's the longest, but it's not steep. So if you guys want to come along. It's a lot of fun, as I'm sure you've already seen. So make sure to subscribe to see more adventures. Hi guys, happy faces all around. around. We are going downhill, which is bound to be easier. And I hope I am not going to bite my words like I did before. So, yeah, I'll see you down there.
Blue skies, talking about sunshine, driving with the top down, feeling free. Talking about you and me, talking about smooth sailing, Hong Kong.
So what happens when you're going downhill? The person who was dying coming uphill is now marching downhill. And so guys, Lord Macmillan grave site is right over there. It's that stone that's there. I don't know whether I'm pointing. I'm sure I'm not pointing. Where's my finger? Okay, so I've given up on that. But anyway, it's right there. I'm sure you can see it. So basically, he was a philanthropist. Are you ready?
Hong Kong.